Hi and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how to grow your YouTube channel with Shorts. We will discuss what makes a viral short and how to optimize them for YouTube. These are the methods I personally use to grow one channel in 1 month. Also, at the end of this video, you will see the results of my challenge, so I advise you to watch to the end. Let's look here to understand why impressions are so important. When you have high impressions, then you increase clicks and also views. But this is a different story, and that's why you don't have views. The solution to this is to boost impressions. But how to do that? Here are the answers that we are going to discuss in this video. This is my #1 YouTube trick for increasing views. Don't create the same bad things as others. However, YouTube understands that the better the quality of video creation, the more viewers they will attract. If you are new to YouTube, Shorts can be a great way to make a splash, as it's much harder to stand out with regular videos against all the larger competition. So let's go to find quality video for our Shorts. The first option is to download from YouTube. Click on Filters and Creative Commons. Now, you can take any video from this section and download it. And the second option is to download videos from free stock footage. Let's say you downloaded the video and now you need to edit it. You can edit it in Canva, which is a free tool. So let's do a quick edit. So be sure to stay until the end to see my real case study. I'm sure you'll be amazed to see that this is what you can do too. Now we have the video ready. The next step is to do the optimization. Video optimization can empower your brand to achieve the millions of people who use YouTube to find entertaining videos and answers to their questions. You can get your videos in front of the right people and experience the branding potential of YouTube by marking them up. To do the optimization, you must include the most important keywords in the title, description, and tags. I have a trick I use that helps me a lot. First, I collect 500 tags using Vidic or TubeBuddy. Then, around these keywords, I create text for the description and title, like that. Now the video optimization is ready, and you can post the video. As I promised at the beginning of the video, I will show you the results I have achieved in 1 month. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, because it helps us a lot in continuing to create new videos. And also comment below YouTube Shorts so I understand you like this topic. As you can see, I got 300 subscribers and over 200,000 views. I have to point out that this channel is not big at all. The impressions, views, and unique viewers all increase dramatically, as seen by the channel data. I want to mention that sometimes when I posted a video with a trending topic in just a few hours, I had gotten 1,000 views, and even after I stopped publishing them, the number of subscribers increased. So the conclusion is that it's difficult to predict what YouTube will do with them. So it's crucial to have a diverse set of content. I personally uploaded over 150 videos until 10 of them blew up. You never know what will impact people, so it's important to be patient and consistent. You can see how the shorts accounted for the majority of the traffic. And YouTube suggested my material, which accounted for more than half of the impressions. Also, look at this data. What I learned over the 30 days is that Shorts are an excellent method to be recognized quickly if you're just starting out on YouTube, and the sooner you get some up, the sooner they can be seen by others. Shorts are a new trend, And if you're looking to expand your YouTube channel, you should absolutely give them a try.